These are the earrings that we're going to make. And these are the earrings in a few more color combinations. So let's talk about the materials that we're going to need. For these earrings, you're going to need 26 4mm round beads or pearls and 12 6mm bicone crystals. You're also going to need 11 Toho seed beads, as well as 2 6 or 8 seed beads to put the jump rings through to connect the ear hooks. So let's get started. I'm using a size 10 needle with 6-pound fire line, and I'm going to start at the other end of my thread with a stop bead. So kind of put that on and just tie it on loosely. Then I'll add 5 seed beads and 5 crystals alternating. So starting with a seed bead, crystal, seed bead, crystal, etc. for 5 crystals and 5 seed beads. I'm going to string that on. Then I'm going to go back up through all 10 of those beads to form a loop. And once I've formed a loop, I no longer need the stop bead, so I'll just pull that off. Then I can tie a knot. So I'm coming out of this crystal. This is going to be the top, the seed bead here, and this crystal is going to be the bottom. So first we're going to go through this seed bead here and start working around this way. Now that we're coming out of this seed bead, we add a 4mm pearl, seed bead, and pearl, and then skip this crystal, go through the next seed bead in the ring. Next one that will be going through the top is a little different. We add a 4mm seed bead, 4mm seed bead. So we start with the 4mm, and then we go through the next seed bead in the ring, which will be the top of the earring. Next, we start with the seed bead, pearl, seed bead, pearl. Skip this crystal and go through the next seed bead in the ring. I'm turning it around, so this is the bottom crystal. So we're going to put another pearl, seed bead, pearl around this one. Pearl, seed bead, pearl, and go through the next seed bead in the ring. This is the bottom crystal, so this is where we're going to build our drop. So we add pearl, seed bead, crystal, seed bead. And we string that on. And we want to go back up through the crystal and the next seed bead. Next, we add a pearl, seed bead, and pearl, and we go through the next seed bead in the ring. this thread out of the way. Okay. So now we're going to go around one more time, adding some beads. So we go through the next pearl and seed bead. And the next pearl. Then we add one seed bead and go through the next pearl, seed bead, and pearl. Pearl, seed bead, and pearl. Now we're at the top. We add a seed bead, pearl, and seed bead. And we want to go through the next pearl, seed bead, and pearl. So pearl, seed bead, and pearl. Like we did on this side, we're going to add a seed bead and go through the next pearl, seed bead, pearl. Pearl, seed bead, and pearl. At this point, we can go through the seed bead in the inner ring, the bottom crystal, and the next seed bead. We go back through pearl, seed bead, just kind of following it all the way till you're coming out of this seed bead. So continue through pearl, seed bead, pearl, seed bead, and pearl, pearl, seed bead. Here we go. So we're coming out of the seed bead just before this top pearl. So we're coming out of this seed bead. We add 2 11-ohs, a 6 or 8 seed bead, and 2 11-ohs. We're going to skip over this top pearl and go down through this side here. So going through the seed bead after that top pearl, and can just continuing seed bead, pearl, seed bead, through the next pearl, seed bead, pearl, seed bead, and through the next pearl, seed bead, that's the seed bead in the inner ring, and the bottom crystal here, if I can get my needle through, or just go first through pearl, seed bead, and then the crystal. There we go. And that is where my original thread is coming out of that same crystal. So I'm going to tie a knot here. So that is the completed earring. We just need to add a jump ring here at the top through the large seed bead to connect the ear hook after snipping these ends. I've snipped the ends here and I'm ready to open my jump ring. I feed it through the large seed bead at the top. Add the ear hook. And close it. And that is the finished earring.